guys, it's Charlotte, and today's video is going to be a makeup video slash kind of like beauty video because it's not solely makeup. I'm going to be doing things that aren't makeup too, but what we're going to be doing is we're going to enlarge our eyes and I'm going to teach you guys some tricks and hacks to make your eyes appear bigger. So right now, the only kind of makeup I have on is a little bit of my brows and some highlighter. I didn't want to be completely barefaced going into the video because I don't need to do that on the video and waste time. But hopefully these tricks and like hacks will help you guys. And this is a trick that I use sometimes when I want to go for like a really cute doll type look and really make my eyes look big and beautiful. Not that your eyes aren't beautiful if they're small, but just for any of you guys who are wanting to try out and use this trick, then keep on watching and hopefully this video will help you. So yeah, I'm just going to go switch lenses for my camera so we have nice up close footage. Then I'll walk you guys along through it. See you. Hope you guys enjoy. Holy crap, look at this camera quality. I am shocked. I didn't think it would look this good. But okay, let's get on into the video. So how we're gonna do this is I'm just gonna do one eye right now so you guys can see the difference of what it looks like. So I'm going to do this side, and the first thing that I do for my eyes to enlarge them is I go in with this Lancome. I feel like James Charles. And it is camouflage. It's a color corrector. So you just put a little bit, just dab it on there, dab it under your eyes where any dark spots are. I don't like going all the way across. I just like kind of going in the corner there because that's where it's darkest for me. And then I go in with my Creme Brulee NARS. I'm also using the viewfinder to like do my makeup, so hopefully this doesn't look too drab. And then you just dab it on right under here. And this helps create a good base for what we're gonna do for the makeup. So then it's all kind of one tone. And just pat her down. Try not to get too much in the corner like I did, because if you put too much concealer there, it doesn't look good. Okay, once you've tapped that pretty good, kind of go like this to keep it from creasing. And I just dabbed some of this powder. And we're just gonna let that sit for a second. And I guess while we let that sit, I'm gonna get some other powder and just powder my face because I forgot to do that. I'm back. So I'm just gonna powder my face. This isn't really part of the routine, but we're gonna do it while we wait. Oh, I did put some highlighter on here, so I can't go over it and ruin it. Okay, once that is sat on for a few moments, you can just wipe it away like this. Now, hopefully you guys can already see this is a lot more white and balanced than under this eye. I've been using a really good under eye cream that actually lightens and brightens under your eyes. I literally love it so much, but I still have some dark circles, so it's good to use this to cover it up and to kind of create a base for what we're gonna do next. So the next thing we're gonna do is like the very important step. And we're gonna go in with our brush and get this style of brush, which is, I got this from Icing and they sell them at Claire's too. They also sell them at Sephora, but they're really expensive, so I just get the cheap ones. And this one, I don't know what kind it is, but if you guys can see, I'll zoom in. It's like not super thin, but it's still thick enough. It's kind of like an eyeshadow brush, but I like to use this, not for really eyeshadow. Well, we are using eyeshadow because we're going in with our Tartelette palette, but we are going to kind of go under our eyes and create like eye bags. So it's funny because you take away the eye bags, but that is just to create like a clean base. Then we are going in with this, and we are going to go in with Wanderer and kind of Force of Nature. Honestly, Force of Nature is probably good by itself. And I'm going to kind of create eye bags, but create it in a way that it's not all dark. It's kind of creating like a pouch of the eye, pouch under the eye, if that makes sense. So just kind of under here, and I don't go all the way up here. I just kind of do it in the corner there. And then I also like to kind of bring it up, kind of create some shadows over here. So that kind of looks dramatic right now, and we don't want it so dramatic. So I'm just gonna go in with a blending brush and kind of just blend that out. Maybe I'm gonna dip it into some of this Free Spirit and just kind of blend it out. But you can already see, like, if we look at this one is looking like, and the other one's just looking. And then you can also take this same brush if you want, go into Force of Nature and kind of go here. You don't have to, but I do this sometimes. Oh my god, look. Did you guys see that happen? I didn't. Okay, great. So that's really all the eyeshadow you have to do. It's pretty easy for that part, but it makes such a substantial difference. This eye looking way bigger and better already. Okay, we're going into mascara then. And this is also like, it's not just regular mascara, it's the way that you do the technique that this really helps make your eyes bigger. So we're going on with my favorite mascara as of like the last year, and this is the Dolly Wink Brown Mascara. And I have two of them, so actually this is the new one. We don't want to use this one first. We're going to use the old one. I find that going in with the old one because it really gives a light first coat and doesn't go over absolutely all of lashes and makes them look like super clumpy. If you go in with like an older mascara first, then you can kind of build it up. Here we go. Use the brown mascara and brush it out to the side. So don't just brush it up, but brush it like out to the side. This helps with making the eyes look bigger. Same with here, go out. Oh my God, look at my eye bags here compared to there. Wow, okay, we're already seeing a difference, at least I am. Yes, it's looking good. So we're gonna let that dry for a second, and I guess while that's drying, I am going to go in with my favorite inner corner highlight. Honestly, I don't know if this really does much to making your eyes look bigger, but I love doing it. It's so beautiful, and you guys always ask what my inner corner highlight is. And today we are going to use the Color FX Glitter Drops. And I'm using the color, I think, Aurora. Yes, but they also have like a golden one, which is so beautiful when you do more of a golden highlight, but today I did more of like kind of a neutral cold highlight. So we're going in with Aurora, and you just kind of dab in the corner. Beautiful. Oh my God. I love that highlight literally so much. Now we're going to go back in with the same mascara, I guess, but with the newer one. We're going to build another layer on top of this. We do 3 layers of mascara in total, but the way that this works, it really, really makes an effect, and it's worth like all the trouble. So yeah, same, keep going out, but now we're really building. Oh, look at those lashes, honey. Wow, I am seeing a difference. And now this time while these ones sit, I am just going to define the under eye bags a little bit more just to make it more dramatic. So yeah, kind of do it where your pouch of your eye would be. Don't do it right up against the line. That would make the eyes look smaller. Kind of do it just underneath like that. Cute! Dry mascara, dry, please. Okay, and once that second coat of mascara is done, we're gonna go in with our last coat of mascara, which I'm using the Better Than Too Faced Waterproof Mascara. But with this one, do not go over the whole lashes. I will jump out of the screen and getcha. Just go at the very top. So don't go to the root of the lashes. Especially with the bottom ones. The bottom, just do the very end. So kind of like the very end where your eye bags are, just dip them. Just dip them. And especially get like the outer corner here. Try to really build those up. I hope it looks as good on the camera as it does on the viewfinder, because it's looking really neato in the viewfinder, but sometimes it doesn't always translate. But that is all we need to do for the makeup now. So it's honestly not too tricky or too heavy, but we have one last step that makes a really big difference when it comes to me like enlarging my eyes. And you guys might notice something that you're seeing in today's video and you're like, there's something different about Charlotte besides the fact that I'm not wearing much makeup. And that is because I just have in regular contacts right now. And the last step has to do with contacts. So I am going to take out my clear contact I have right now in this eye because I'm a blindie. And we are going to put in a lighter contact, and you guys are gonna see how much bigger and brighter it just really enhances your eyes. It makes it look gorgeous. There we go. So contacts are my secret final step that makes my eyes look so big and bright. And to me, just these steps put together, like look at this eye compared to this eye. Look at it. Ah! It's amazing how just little minor tweaks on the makeup can literally make such a big difference when it comes to the overall look. All right, guys, but that's it. That's basically my tips and tricks and hacks to making it look like you have bigger eyes than you actually do, and to really just enhance your natural beauty. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I guess that's all for today. So I'll see you later. Bye. And I'm gonna go, I think, just finish this off camera because I'm gonna record some more videos after that. And if I go into the next videos looking like this, people are gonna be like, what's going on, Charlotte? You're two different people. Bye. Okay, guys, I lied. I'm tossing him some footage of the final look because look how nice it looks with both eyes done. I feel so glamorous right now, except for that piece of hair. So we're just gonna admire for a second.